The main objective of this course is to give you a foundation for using YAML and provide you with a starting point and get you going on building and using YAML documents. It takes you on a journey where we start with basic concepts of data serialization, then gradually explore more advanced topics like YAML syntax, anchors, etc. The following topics will be covered: basic concepts and syntax of YAML, YAML versus JSON and XML, and why you should use YAML. How is YAML related to other technologies? Understanding the structure of a YAML document. List of common standard data types supported by YAML. Using simple structures in YAML documents, such as a list and a key value pair, or mapping. How to use anchors in a YAML document. The course will also include a hands-on lab where you will work on exercises that solve real-world problems by creating YAML files. You can use your choice of editor or IDE to complete the exercises. The course would demonstrate the full capabilities of YAML. After taking this course, you should be able to understand what is YAML and the important concepts behind it. In this course, you will get introduced to YAML data serialization language and build a thorough understanding of the syntax of YAML. You will also get familiar with the basic concepts behind this markup language and its main features. Be aware of its complete set of features, including various ways it is used in practice. Explain the basic structure of YAML. Example, its syntax by applying simple indentation rules. Recognize basic scalar types or common standard data types, that is, integers, floats, dates, times, supported by YAML. Identify how to use rich data types, including dates and times, supported by YAML. Explain simple key value pair data types in YAML documents. Recognize how to use containers, that is, a list of elements in YAML. Use various data types, including complex data types of YAML. Understanding YAML data types and their role in serializing data as well as deserializing, reading such documents to generate various structures, including lists and maps. In addition to complete YAML syntax and supported data types, you will get to know about various parsers and emitters available in modern programming languages, and a list of various tools which are leveraging YAML. Explain the concept behind anchors in YAML documents. Recognize the purpose of anchors and understand their usage. Follow YAML syntax rules and be able to discern correct from incorrect examples. Read and understand files containing YAML data. Create, update and maintain structured data in the YAML data serialization format. Use various tools for creating YAML effectively. Use the advanced features of YAML. Explain the most common scenarios where YAML is used, such as configuration files. Identify common application scenarios for YAML and explain why you would use them in such a scenario. Converting YAML to JSON and vice versa. Recognize what kind of programming languages support YAML and identify basic components or YAML parser or emitter on which you can build your own programmatic interfaces to work with YAML data. Technical requirements. You will need a computer with internet access. This course can be completed using any modern web browser that supports HTML5. You may also use an offline editor such as the Atom editor built with YAML, or an IDE, integrated development environment, such as NetBeans, WebStorm, etc.